Hi friend, this is Keshav. I brought a one structure, two structure, four structure. It's a matter. You should understand. You should understand his structure. Whatever I am teaching you, whatever I suggesting you any structure. First of all, understood. I know you are watching my videos. I know you are comment me, make videos like this. It's a good performance of my English. I know, but you can't. You understand? I'm not certified, sir. Please understand English, understand your feelings, understand your structure. Use day by day, then you can enhance your English day by day. Is that practice, practice, practice? I can teach you. I can see you pay, but you have to practice. You have to work on English. Hard work just test you. Don't kill you. Okay. Um, brought here one structure. Talk about structure. First is one end of the story. Second one, make the most of. This is superb structure. I love it. I always use this structure. Make the most of life. Start. For example, you're kind of outside as a you don't use anything. Your life is but to use any structure. On the first of practice, then use. For example, I will study end of the story. You can see here I will study end of the story. I can't leave study end of the story. She will love you end of the story. She can love you end of the story. They will love you end of the story. I can't stay here end of the story. I'm fearing of I can't stay end of the story. We can say this kind of um this mobile will feed me end of the story. I will not purchase mobile end of the story. Means I will never purchase mobile because my parents will not leave me end of the story. I can't cheat my education end of the story. Okay, and let's move another. Make the most of. Make the most of as like a. I will make the most of my education. I will make the most of my mobile. This mobile is make the most of me. It's a good. It's a like a excellent talk is that. I will make the most of my life. I will make the most of my English. I made the most of my education when I was in childhood. When I was young, we can say kind of. Like I will make the most of my every step. I will make the most of my kilos. I will make the most of my watch. I will make the most of my beauty. I will make the most of my new news. I will make the most of every structure understood. Make the most of, make the life sections, make the notices. Only understand structure, noun, pronouns. Only structure you understand every structure divide here. I don't understand what to do. I'm not understanding any structure. What to do? Please don't fear of any. I think why are you fearing of? Sometimes I speak English. I don't think Hindi. Only I've told you two structure. End of the story. I make the most of. Please practice on that. I have got you. I have gave you 1, 4, 5, 10 structure. You can practice on that. You can make a sentence on your own. Don't copy to another. Copy yourself. If you copy yourself, you can too. You can say you can use your structure. Use your daily routine. I for example, I I talk about is I will make the most of my vocabulary. I will make the most of my this video. I will make the most of my this video structure. I will make the most of my every sentences. I don't believe anyone, only on my believe on myself is so you can use every structure day by day, every way. You can learn your vocabulary, your structures. Really improvement yourself. If you improvement, you can do everything in your life. And let's move another structure. Next is it's a nice question. It's a magic question. It's a nice question. If somebody asks any questions, as even you will go in a interviewer reception, interviewer will ask you. uh, what do you wanna be? Then you can see, I wanna be a doctor. I wanna be a speaker. I wanna be a teacher. I wanna be a everywhere. But you, whatever you're saying, but you can say it's a nice question. It's a nice question. I wanna be doctor. It's a nice question. I wanna be a teacher. It's a nice question. I wanna be a success. It's a nice question. I wanna be engineer. Next question about a interview. Ask question. Why do you wanna join this company? Oh my God, it's a nice question. It's my dream company. When I was in college, I had a dream to join this company. So I'm joining this company. I'm trying to join this company. So it's a nice question. I watching this video. It's a nice question. You asked this question. Somebody asked another question. Why do you wanna speak English? Why do you wanna learn speak English fluent? It's a nice question. I wanna be learn speak English. Hence, I could speak English in from an interviewer. It's a nice question. It's a nice question. It's a magic of your like a your practice, your life session, life practice, day by day practice. You can enhance your English really superb. You are watching my videos. I'm glad to, and I'm I'm so appreciative of watching my videos. I don't take expectation to anyone. Only you can watch. You can go ahead me. First of all, understood your English. English is just language. It is not your. It's not rocket science here. Make the most of English. Superb. I love it. Really. Always motivate. Please keep motivate. Please make other motivate. Then you can. I know. You have to speak English. You have to teach your childhood, yourself, learning, learning idioms, vocabularies, sentences, and day by day. Don't miss your world. Don't miss your English world, English futures like that. So it's a nice question. It's a nice video you shared me. You can say this. Thank you. Who will watch my videos? Please comment me. If any issues, if any talking is a misunderstanding, misguiding, please comment to me. Now I wanna be take a bye. Bye for now. We will meet tomorrow with new structure, new section, new account. So it's a nice, it's a good structure, and I appreciate. So thanks, good luck. Watch your videos. Please comment to me. Thanks for watching these videos. I'm your Keshav. Thanks. Bye. See you.